Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you a few methods to enable the notes feature on Instagram. If you haven't received the latest update or can't find the notes option, don't worry, I've got you covered. Make sure to watch the entire video for a step-by-step guide. Firstly, open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. If an update is available, download and install it. It's essential to have the most recent version to access the notes feature. After updating Instagram, open the app and navigate to direct messages. Normally, the notes option would appear at the top section of your direct messages. However, if you don't see it, try the following method. Switching to a professional account and then back to a personal account can sometimes trigger the notes feature. To do this, go to your profile picture in the bottom right corner, tap three lines in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Account. Then, choose Switch to Professional Account and follow the prompts. Once you switch it, repeat the process and switch back to a personal account. If the previous method didn't work for you, here's another way to try. Go to Settings again, scroll down and select Help. In the Help section, click on Report a problem. Next, explain to the Instagram team that you don't have access to the notes feature and kindly request them to add it to your account. Provide a clear description of the issue and express your desire for a resolution. Optionally, you can attach a screenshot or photo of the problem. Click Submit to send the report. Usually the Instagram team responds within a few days, and you should receive the notes feature on your account. Remember to be patient during this process. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.